It's 16 minutes. 16. How are you? How are you?
Recording?
Yeah, I'm going cross-eyed too.
What?
I'm going cross-eyed because I'm looking at the screen too.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Where's my doodle? She's under the cover somewhere.
Dude, we should have had you bring the cookies back up. Wait.
Can I do this too?
Yeah. It's the dance I came up with for Roberto called the You gotta put your hand up here, put your hand down here, and then you rotate like that while making the wrong face. Or do you watch.
Could you do that in slow-mo for me?
And the bitches dances. And then my world famous dance, the tree.
No, you're the stump right now because I ain't standing up.
Oh, yeah.
There's something like that. But, dude, I just thought stumps can't move. They don't have any branches or anything.
I know.
They're just flat.
Oh, then I'm doing the stump.
No, you're doing the branch. What if I put it? We could sit on the bed and do stuff. Too short. If I go down a little bit, yeah, that's better. I can see you right here.
Oh, no, wait. Keep it back there for a second. I have an idea.
Right there's perfect.
No. Oh,
put your hands up a little bit more. Yeah, right there.
No.
Put your head down. Put your hands up more.
What do I do?
Dude, I hate you. We're so retarded.
Dude, you have 2 socks? Do you have 2 socks? I could do a sock puppet show. Huh? Oh, we could do one together. Okay. Hi, what's over there? Hi, what's your name? Leonard, what's yours? Albina. You want to make babies? What can we name them? Fredrina. After my great-grandma. Was she from Iceland? She's from Greenland. Where can we find a Yeti? Tibet, perhaps? Antarctica? Walgreens? It's just guys, they have everything. No. My vagina.